Hope you enjoy watching Discover Joy.
This time we're visiting one of the bigger flea markets in Taichung, Taiyuan Road Flea Market. You can find all kinds of second-hand stuff here, from antiques to everyday items. There are tools, fishing gear, car accessories, and even used electronics. Alright, we've arrived. Maybe this is the main entrance? Let's head into this colorful arcade and see what we can find. Wow, look at all these tools. If you're into DIY, this place is heaven. Everything from wrenches to grinders, all lined up nicely. The mix of old electric fans and computers is kind of funny. Lamp bases, key holders, watch stands, door handles, you could probably turn these into anything. Here's a section full of car accessories. This is called a treasure pot. Many of these pots were traditionally made from Taiwanese cypress and have long been considered a symbol of good fortune. They are often displayed in homes or offices as decorative pieces that are believed to attract wealth and prosperity. Today, Taiwanese cypress is protected and logging is prohibited, which makes treasure pots made from this wood especially rare and valuable. Oh, a shaved ice machine. Here's a fishing gear booth. Fishing ponds and shrimp fishing are really popular in Taiwan, so gear like this sells well. I also made a video about shrimp fishing in Taiwan, so check that out too. Tea leaves. When you think of Taiwan, oolong tea is one of the first things that comes to mind. And this is a steamer called an electric pot. It's said that almost every household in Taiwan has one. It was originally designed as a rice cooker, but people use it to steam all kinds of food like buns, sweet potatoes, and fish. Some families even choose this instead of buying a microwave. Oh, these are motorcycle seats. Because Taiwan is so hot, the seat covers wear out quickly and often need to be replaced. If you're visiting Taichung, this is definitely a place worth stopping by. There seem to be more vendors here on weekends. Next, I'll also show you an antique shop in Taichung. And we'll wrap up with a New Year parade. Thanks for watching.